You will have clients who are operating a multinational organization, and certainly culture is a big thing, because the way that we work around here differs from country to country, from religious values, from country values, and we have to work in a multinational environment. And I would say that the biggest challenge to organizations is miscommunication. I don't understand what's important to you. And I will share with you, when I first moved to Singapore, I had no idea what the value of modesty and humility was. It wasn't anything that I'd come across in my environment. And I suddenly found myself in a space. It's like, oh, everybody's going on about modesty and humility. Why? So I think it's really important for us to engage, to seek to understand with good grace and with an open heart, to seek to understand the other. So the way that I have intended and planned, it doesn't have to be like this, but it's kind of a useful format to create discussion and growth around cultural awareness, is to use the World Cafes. Have any of you seen or anybody been part of a World Cafe experience? If you're looking in a multicultural environment, depending on what the problems are, is how can we work better? How can we overcome the barriers to communicating? What do leaders need to do to engage a culturally diverse team? Because the principles behind the World Cafe is that we know the answers. Together, we know the answers. So you set the context, create a hospitable space. We explore the questions that matter. Now, as a leadership team, people might think they know what the questions are, but you can use the World Cafe principles to actually get to the root of what are the questions we need to be answering, because a lot of organizations are answering the wrong question. So we've got to have some discussion around what are the right questions we need to be asking to get the answers that are going to help us move forward and show some results.